Gasco, the theory of the low-altitude economy introduced by Citigroup, opens up a multi-dimensional perspective on the opportunities for national development. The rapid advancement of unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, AI-powered robotics, and other cutting-edge technologies has unlocked the technical foundation for the explosive growth of the low-altitude economy, LAE. The LAE creates powerful new drivers of growth, particularly for economies and nations striving to make a transformational leap forward. From a technical and economic standpoint, the low-altitude economy is a multi-layered economic structure operating within the airspace below 3,000 meters. It encompasses the migration of human and machine activities across all economic sectors from the ground into low-altitude space, where productivity increases exponentially, powered by groundbreaking technologies such as UAVs, artificial intelligence, big data, the Internet of Things, aircraft systems, airships, space stations, and airspace management systems for monitoring, operation, and service delivery. Throughout the global development journey of the low-altitude economy, LAE, many organizations have taken the lead and achieved significant milestones. Notably, China officially launched its low-altitude economy in 2023 with an initial market size of approximately $69.8 billion. By the end of 2025, the Chinese market is projected to reach around $550 billion. In the race to master the skies, Gasco, the General Aviation Service Company, a comprehensive space services company under Citigroup, established in 2012, has been conducting research into space-related services. Today, with the theory of the low-altitude economy, also known as the near space economy, LAE, Gasco has successfully translated the theory into tangible products. Throughout more than a decade of formation and development, the name Gasco has remained unchanged, as if destiny itself had predetermined its mission in the space economy. And now, since 2024, a new chapter has begun. Through Citigroup, Gasco has made a surprise move by submitting a proposal for the development of the low-altitude economy to regulatory authorities while quietly preparing a global headquarters for LAE, the Spaceship One SS1 project, whose original project name has been retained since 2012. Gasco has been developing more than 600 high-performance applications covering every sector of the low-altitude economy, LAE, across 16 industries and 72 subsectors covering the entire spectrum of the low-altitude economy, LAE, including smart cities and transportation, logistics and delivery, healthcare and emergency response, security, border patrol and defense, agriculture and forestry, digital transformation, construction and infrastructure, renewable energy, mining and heavy industry, environmental protection and green economy, tourism, media and creative industries, telecommunications and digital infrastructure, as well as education and research. For example, 24 services such as transporting spare parts from ship to shore. Specialized payload UAVs rapidly deliver materials and spare parts from docked vessels to the shore without relying on immediate port infrastructure. Maritime navigational aid inspection. UAVs remotely monitor buoys and lighthouses, ensuring maritime safety without a need for service vessels to approach under adverse weather conditions. Oil refinery system inspection. High-resolution UAVs combined with AI digitize the entire system, automatically detect faults, and pinpoint risk areas as soon as issues arise. Industrial pipeline monitoring. UAVs patrol thousands of kilometers of pipelines, enabling early detection of leaks, corrosion, or unauthorized intrusion, thereby minimizing operational risks. Precision agriculture services. UAVs with automated flow control enable uniform spraying of water and crop protection products, optimizing productivity while ensuring occupational safety. Forest management. UAVs provide real-time monitoring to detect deforestation, illegal timber transport route, and track thermal indicators for effective wildfire prevention. Flood relief and emergency response. UAVs assess isolated areas to support victim search operations and deliver essential supplies, medicines, and life buoys in a timely manner. Fire prevention and firefighting. Urban firefighting UAVs combine autonomous flight technology with advanced fire suppression systems to rapidly respond to emergency situations. Light shows. Swarm UAV technology creates vivid 2D and 3D aerial formations, transforming the night sky into a large-scale artistic stage. Smart traffic management. UAVs integrate cameras, AI, and real-time analytics to provide comprehensive monitoring of urban traffic networks. Power line and vegetation inspection. UAVs equipped with zoom cameras and thermal sensors conduct detailed inspections of power lines and isolator springs without the need for power shutdowns or access to hazardous terrain. High-rise building wall painting. UAVs equipped with high-pressure spraying system and laser sensors ensure smooth, uniform paint coverage with absolute safety. Glass window cleaning. UAVs integrated with LiDAR sensors locate stains and clean glass surfaces using high-pressure water, eliminating the need for scaffolding or workers at heights. High-voltage transmission tower cleaning. Specialized UAVs clean isolator strings while power lines remain in operation, eliminating risks to human workers. Food delivery. Rapid transportation of orders directly to consumers. Medical supplies delivery. UAV transporting emergency medical supplies, assisting healthcare workers to ensure timely emergency care. Last-mile mail delivery to islands. UAVs shorten delivery time, effectively connecting the mainland and islands. High-precision surveying using UAV RTK, PPK to support mining surveys. Topographic mapping. Coastal erosion monitoring. UAVs create elevation models with centimeter level accuracy, reducing survey time by 80%. Telecommunication tower inspection. UAVs digitize the entire telecom infrastructure into a 3D digital twin. Railway monitoring. UAVs inspect along rail corridors, detecting obstacles and rail cracks to prevent incidents. Emission monitoring. Flexibly measure and assess emissions from industrial zones, factories, and dispersed sources. A real-time dynamic vehicle routing system using UAV RTDVR for container ports across ASEAN. And hundreds of other UAV applications in management, operations, and socio-economic development. Gasco possesses a comprehensive technological ecosystem, bringing together the most advanced solutions in the low-altitude economy, LAE. UAM technology. This technology focuses on low-altitude urban air transportation, integrating UAVs with intelligent flight management systems to create a safe, automated, and sustainable UAV network for cities of the future. National Digital Twin Technology with 15 layers, NDT-15, is a core digital infrastructure technology for developing the LAE sector. The National Digital Twin digitizes all data layers across territories, cities, and rural areas, mainland and maritime spaces, synchronously connecting ground systems and low-altitude airspace into a unified real-time platform. Automation technology includes autopilot systems for UAVs and eVTOLs, enabling autonomous takeoff and landing, flight planning, and route optimization. Autonomous mobile robots, AMR, and automated guided vehicles, HEV, for handling goods, as well as automated UAVs for infrastructure inspection and maintenance missions. Artificial intelligence technology provides automatic object recognition, anomaly detection, and behavior analysis, optimizes flight paths and collision avoidance, enhances fleet management, predictive maintenance, and flight forecasting, and integrates intelligent chatbots for operations and pilot training support. Semiconductor technology covers microprocessors for flight control systems, signal processing chips for sensors, camera, LiDAR, radar, and integrated AI chips that enhance autonomous decision-making and real-time situational awareness. Satellite technology. Through CTverse, CT Group's dedicated space technology company, the group has become the first entity capable of designing satellite systems and integrating them with UAV networks within the low-altitude economy, thereby creating a fully integrated, multi-layered space technology ecosystem. 5G technology delivers high-bandwidth connectivity, ultra-low latency, and exceptional reliability to ensure stable communication for UTM systems. Gasco is currently training thousands of staff, pilots, and technicians to serve various fields within the low-altitude economy. Gasco works closely with academies, universities, and vocational training institutions to build a high-quality workforce that meets the development needs of each sector in the low-altitude economy, LAE. The clearest and most powerful proof of Gasco's capabilities is its strategic, nationally significant partnership on August 20, 2025 with the Awakening Dragon of the G20 in Southeast Asia, Indonesia. Gasco was entrusted by the Indonesian government to implement the low-altitude economy, LAE. This is a historic milestone, marking the first time a Vietnamese enterprise has had the capacity to undertake the deployment of the LAE for the government of another country. Gasco is gradually realizing its Go Global goal, taking the lead as Vietnam's pioneering flag bearer in the LAE, ready to place Vietnam on the map of the world's most prominent high-tech industries.